Hi everyone. Okay, this week we are starting our annotated bibliographies. I just wanted to give you a quick rundown on what your citations need to look like. Hopefully you're using Galileo, so you can just cut and paste those guys. But occasionally Galileo doesn't exactly get the citation correct, so we'll just do kind of this quickie lesson, and it'll help you guys monitor if those are correct or not. This is from the Purdue OWL APA website, but I'm not going to stay here because it makes my video lag and I look weird, and I don't like that. But here is sort of an index. For example, I cut and paste these onto the next sheet that we're going to look at, but you can go down, for example, if you have something different than what we're about to go over, then look here at the index. You have other print sources, and we'll come back to this after we're finished, but let's start over here. If you have a single author, this particular one here is a book, so if you have a book, this is how you handle it. You're going to have last name, comma, first initial, and sometimes you'll have a middle initial, and if you have a middle initial, go ahead and add that one as well. The next is the publication date, period. And then this is the title of the book. You will italicize the title of a book, and then this is your publisher. Now, this next one, this two authors, this is the one that you're probably going to see the most. This is an online journal. In this online journal, you have the first author, Soto, and then the second author, John. Notice that you use the ampersand in between the two and that you don't use the word and. Using the word and is an MLA thing, so in APA we use the ampersand. So you have Soto, comma, first and middle initial, and John, comma, first and middle initial. Then you'll have the publication date. The next is the title of the article in the journal that you use. Notice the capitalization throughout this. You have a capital T, but then all other major words are lowercase. This is another difference between MLA and APA. However, in this particular title, we have a colon. You will always capitalize the next word after a colon, and that is why developing is capitalized. But then you will notice that every letter from that point on is lowercase. And then at the end of the title, you have the title of the journal. The title of a journal has to be italicized. So, Journal of Personality and Social Psychology is italicized. Here you have the volume, a section number, and then 117 through 143. These are the page numbers that that article encompassed in that particular journal. And then if it is an online journal, you have to have your HTTP or your DOI number afterwards. So I think the majority of your citations are going to look like this one. So make sure that you kind of have this format down. Make sure that if you cut and paste a citation from Galileo that you double check it, because sometimes they like to do titles in all caps, or they'll put the author in all caps, and that's just not correct. So you'll have to change that. Here's an example if you have 3 to 20 authors, how you handle that. So Purdue OWL is a great source. Just go Purdue OWL APA format in your Google search bar, and you can pull up all those different situations that could occur. Also, a thesaurus and a dictionary, if you use those things, I'm going to pull it up and show you where it is. But my video is probably going to start lagging, so I'm going to look like a weirdo. So go back to the index, and here you can go to other print sources. Okay, and then here you have your dictionary, your thesaurus, your encyclopedia, and it gives you some other situations that could possibly occur. So this guy is your guide. So go to Purdue OWL and he'll help you. And of course, I will help you in any way that I can. So feel free to email me and I will help you through this process. Okay? All right. I hope that was helpful, and good luck. You guys have got this. Okay. Bye-bye.